You do not need to spend thousands and thousands of rupees to create the perfect base makeup for yourself. Here are 10 products which are under rupees 500, which are literally the favorite and the best base products for your makeup. So let's go. Hey guys, I'm Urvee. If you haven't already subscribed, definitely subscribe to my channel. Let's move on with the primers and the color correctors under rupees 500. So the color corrector which stood out to me the most is the Mars color corrector. This is the orange one, and if you see, you might recognize the packaging is very similar to the LA Girl one. Now this is for 129 rupees, which is insanely affordable. Now I would warn you, this is very pigmented. I have created a video on this, so if you want, I'll leave it linked down below. You can check that out, but for now, this is insanely pigmented. A little goes a very long way, and I've been using it thoroughly every single day for my makeup routine. As you can see, the packaging, everything, even the formulation of the product, how it feels on my skin is very close to the LA Girl one. So if you want a dupe for that, you need to check this out. I have two primers over here. The first one is a blurring primer. This is the Insight 3-in-1 pore minimizing and moisturizing primer. This is for 240 rupees. I have been using this for over a year, I would say now, and it is still going strong. I really like this one. I'm wearing it right now. It does minimize your pores. Now keep in mind, this is a silicone based primer. I do like it, but it's not like, you know, I'm obsessed with this. Yes, I do like it. I use it often. Is it worth for the money? Yes, absolutely. For 240 rupees, I feel like this is a great deal. And yeah, if you're looking for a silicone based primer, it is not extremely silicone, you are going to love this one. Next up, let's talk about a illuminating primer. I love me some both of the primers. Okay, I don't just use one primer. I first illuminate my face, then I go in with the blurring primer to get the perfect glow on my face before applying any foundation. So the next one which I've been really loving is the Lakme Lumi cream. Now the price of this one is for 299 rupees. I have used this quite a lot, and I have created a detailed video on this on my channel. So again, linked it down below. But yeah, I love this one. 299 rupees. It is, I won't say it is a dupe of the strobe cream, although it is like 60 to 70% similar. Now the difference between the strobe cream and this is that this one is way more moisturizing than the strobe cream, and this is something which I absolutely love about this, because I have very dry skin, and this has helped me to moisturize my skin, not only moisturize it, give a glow, and also illuminate my skin in a subtle way. It is not a too much of a, you know, a disco ball highlighter illuminator which will just make your face look like shiny. No, this gives a subtle glow. This is one of the reasons why I absolutely love the Lakme Lumi cream. So I would highly recommend this one. Next up, again in the categories of illuminating primers, this is a new find. I would say comparatively a new find. I'm talking about the Mars Illuminati primer. Now I know so many people are using this. I've seen so many creators on Instagram using this. This is for 249 rupees. I have the shade Golden Beam over here. What I love about this primer is that the glitter particles are not too chunky, and Mars Cosmetics is recently doing an amazing job at creating some amazing quality makeup products. So I absolutely love this one. I do use it often. Whenever I feel like I need like a golden kind of a illuminating highlighter, I use this one and I love it. I use the heck out of this. The packaging of this is also really good, which is one of the reasons why I just overall this is a great product for me. I think you are definitely going to love it. It is not greasy. It will be perfect for oily skin as well, as the formulation is not sticky. It gets absorbed into the skin really well. It sits along great with the foundation. Let's move on to the foundation. I have two foundations here with me. It is a no-brainer, but first up, let's talk about the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. Now this one, you get it in 3 different sizes. You get a sachet, which I think is for 100 rupees or like 60 rupees. Then you get the mini one, which is for 299 or 300 or 200 rupees. And this is the glass bottle, which comes with a pump. Now this one is for 549 rupees. I have all of them and I have used all of them. I think this is like my 4th Fit Me bottle. So yeah, I absolutely love this foundation. I am wearing it right now. I just love this so much. I feel like this is the perfect cult favorite foundation. You do not want to invest into too high end. This is the one for you. This is also extremely This foundation is extremely close to the MAC Studio Fix foundation. The finishes which both of them give are like very similar, although the long lasting power of this is definitely like lesser than the MAC one, because that one is MAC. It is high end, that lasts for up to like 12 hours or more. This, you know, your T-zone will get oily after a few hours of using it, but being said that this is a medium to full coverage foundation, you can build it up. Available, I feel like in like 20 or 30 shades, which is insane. Comes with a pump, get different sizes. Absolutely cult favorite. I use this a lot and I would recommend you to do it as well. The another foundation which blew my mind last year, I am talking about the Lakme 9 to 5 foundation. By the way, my shade is 220 in both Fit Me and Lakme. Now this is how this one looks. If you haven't tried this one out, oh my god, you need to try it out. I also fell in love with this last year. I have used this thoroughly, like I have used a lot of it. Okay, this is again a medium to full coverage foundation. It is buildable. The spatula, like there is a spatula, okay, as you can see, the applicator is a bit different. It does not have a strong fragrance, but yeah, it says that it is a primer plus matte foundation. Also it has SPF in it, which is a great deal. Now this says that it is natural, flawless finish, perfect cover, long wear formula, medium to high buildable coverage. All of that is very true. I absolutely love this one. If I know a lot of people get tired of Fit Me, using Fit Me. If you don't want Fit Me, definitely go with this one. Lakme has done an amazing job. Again, I feel like there are many shades available. I think almost 30 plus shades available in this one. Highly recommend this. You also get a concealer, which I will review very soon on my channel. But yeah, for now, this one is for usually 400 rupees. Like every time I see this is on sale, either on any of the websites, either on Nykaa or Amazon or Flipkart or Myntra, this is on sale, and I got it for 350 rupees last year, which is honestly a great deal for such a huge, like, you know, full size foundation. It is 25 ml for 350 rupees. If you wait for the sale, it is going to be an amazing deal. Next up, let's talk about two concealers which I love under rupees 500. So the first one is the Swiss Beauty concealer. I have raved about this on my Instagram. I love that this is like gives a satin finish, satin hydrated finish to your under eyes. I won't say it is extremely full coverage. It gives a medium coverage finish. So if you don't like that, you might not, you know, like it, or you might have to reapply it to give the full coverage look to it. But other than that, I mean, this one is for 200 rupees. Honestly, love it. Like, it is so underrated. Again, I feel like it became popular, but I feel like more and more people need to use this because this is how much I love this product. And next up, this is another concealer which I have mixed thoughts about this one, but the product works great. That's why I have mentioned in this video. I'm talking about the Mars concealer. Now the color corrector and the concealer both are from the same range. You get it for like 129 rupees. Now I got this one for 129 rupees a while ago. Again, it is very close to the LA Girl one. Even the applicator, everything is literally the same. I have worn this right now. I love the formulation of this. The LA Girl one, I would say, is a bit thinner in consistency, like it's a bit liquid. This one is a bit like creamier, I would say, a bit thicker. Although being said that, as you can see, I have used this concealer today and it has concealed my under eyes flawlessly. Like, it is, I cannot believe that this is for 129 rupees. 129. I don't know, it's the seal the deal concealer, how they do it in 129 rupees, but this is honestly such a great product. If you don't wear foundation or concealer most of the times, and if you just want it for some functions, you are going to love this one. Like, this is full coverage, conceals everything, looks flawless, blends easily, all of that stuff. Lastly, let's talk about the two powders which I love under rupees 500. First one, no brainer, the Fit Me compact powder. I also have the loose powder, but I love the compact, I don't know, way more than that. This has a much of a coverage than the loose powder, obviously, because it's a compact. But yeah, Love it. It's for 199 rupees. I have used this so much that the mirror just literally fell off, and as you can see, I will soon be hitting a pan on this one. That is how much I have loved it. I'm wearing it today right now, and I honestly love this powder. Now I am in the shade Natural Beige, same as my foundation, so yeah, no complaints over there. This is a matte plus poreless powder, lasts up to 12 hours. I won't say that it lasts up to 12 hours, but yeah, it does last for quite a long time. It gives a oil-free finish. It's great for touch-up as well, very lightweight. So yeah, I love this one. And the next one, which is like a newer product which like kind of blew people's mind, I am talking about the Mars Compact. Now this one is for 299 rupees. The uniqueness about this compact is that if you just push it, you know, you will get one powder over here. Okay, can you see? And then if you just do this, you will get another powder, which is insane. And then if you just do this, you will get a powder puff. How cool is that? Now I want to show you that this powder, the below one is a bit darker, and then the above one is a bit lighter, so you get like two shades for your skin tone. Again, the powder puff works really well. I have used this so much, and this conceals and, you know, sets your foundation really well, as you can see over here. I've been using this powder, I won't say a lot, but yeah, I have so many powders which I have to use, but yeah, I have been consistently using this for a few months now, and I have enjoyed using this. I do see myself using this way more often. So yeah, I would highly recommend you to try it out. Again, they have a couple of shades. I won't say a lot of shades, but yeah, you do get like different shades in one powder, which is great for you. So good job, Mars. With that being said, I conclude the top 10 products, base products under rupees 500. Let me know which ones do you have, which ones are you excited to try out in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe, do all of that stuff, and I will see you next time. Bye.